Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today, we're analyzing the iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF, ticker EEM, the go to vehicle for broad exposure to developing economies like China, India, Taiwan, and South Korea. As of the market close on January 2nd, 2026, the first trading day of the year, EEM closed at $44.62, down about 0.6% on moderate volume. The slight decline reflects ongoing caution around China's economic slowdown and property sector challenges, despite fresh stimulus signals from Beijing. Gains in India and Taiwan semiconductor holdings provided some offset, while analysts note persistent dollar strength and potential trade policy risks are capping near-term upside for emerging markets. For EEM investors, 2026 outlook remains tied to global growth and policy shifts. Watch China data closely. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for more stock updates, and comment what ticker do you like next. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.